Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to launch a professional Shopify store? First, in this video, I will walk you through designing a clean, beginner-friendly Shopify store even with no coding skills. Let's get started. First of all, go to shopify.com and start with free trial. Click start for free and follow the sign up process. You can enter your email address or sign up with directly Google, Apple, or Facebook account. So once you are in, you will see options like orders, products, customers, online store, apps. This is your control center. Click on online store from the left sidebar. Then go to themes. Shopify offers may Shopify offers many free themes for beginners. Choose Dawn. It's modern, fast, and flexible. Click Customize to start designing. In the theme editor, you can drag and drop sections. Click Customize. Header. Your logo and menu. Click on header, double click on it, or then go to header section, then click theme settings, then select. Now you can choose your logo from your store or add image from your computer. Just upload a logo. You can upload a banner. Featured products show your top selling or new items. Here it is. Image with text, highlight benefits or deals, footer, add contact information, policy links, and social media link. Tips: use Canva to create a logo. Stick to 2 to 3 brand colors. Keep fonts clean and readable. Now go back to your home and click product section. Then click add product. Add a title, description, upload image, select category, set the price, set inventory. You can add variants like size, color, and color too. Now set up your menu. Click on navigation bar from under online store. It's like look like this. Click navigation and edit the main menu. Add links to your home, shop, contact, and about us pages. This helps customers navigate easily. Under pages section, create essential page like about us, contact page, shipping policy, refund policy. Use Shopify's free policy generator under settings, then policies, then return and refund policy, then add policy here, or go to pages section, Then add new page like contact us or about us. Then enter your description, that add location like US, then click save. Make sure toggle on the visible option, then click save. Now go to online store, click view your store, and scroll down or go to contact. Click the customize theme. And now click contact site. From here, search for about us. That's it. Then you can add a text color. Go to theme settings or padding. You can adjust padding size like that. Then click save. Now refresh the store. Go to home. Scroll down and here it is. Preview your site on mobile. It's how most shoppers will see it. Make sure everything looks clean and easy to navigate. Adjust spacing, fonts, and image sizes if needed. And that's it. You just design your Shopify store. Want more advanced tutorial like product pages, upsells, or checkout design? Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.